Hey folks, I'll give you a little visual here of getting simple syllabus activated within your course shell. The good thing is it does coincide with still with the email that I sent with the steps, so we should be good. The shells that Alan loads are about 2 months old, so if you teach online, that would be kind of some old data, so you would want to restore your course that you ended off with or did some work with in the interim session that you were open. If not, if you're using it just for a holding area for a syllabus and some basic course information, then you can start to work on the shell that Alan did. But for those who want to back up a previous semester shell and restore it, you will simply go to courses on the left and then all courses. And then you will scroll down to where past enrollments, find the course you're looking for. And then you will on the left side, you go to settings. This is an important area to know. So settings, and then you will export on the right-hand side now, course content. And you will create a export. It will run, it will back up, and then just note where you are saving the file to on your computer so that you can access it. So then to restore that into a shell, you will just go to your dashboard. And once this loads, you're going to go down. If it hasn't been published yet, you're going to go down to the bottom where your unpublished course is. Find the course you're going to restore it to. So I'm going to put it in this one. And then on the right-hand side, so as soon as the course opens up, on the right-hand side, you're going to click on Import Existing Content. So in the email, so far it's going backing up, restore to this semester's course in Canvas, settings, import, course content, Canvas course export package. So you will drop down Canvas course export package. You will browse to the file that you saved on your computer, pick the file, and then click all content. I like all content because it brings everything over, including the course's settings. And those settings is what's going to allow your simple syllabus to remain active each semester. So once you've checked that off, click on import and it will run the import job. It'll take a while, but it will import it in. And when it's complete, then you'll be able to open the course. So after it's been loaded and you open the course back up, you will still see now that it still says syllabus. So this is your old syllabus. So we need to activate simple syllabus, or it's going to be called class syllabus. So to activate simple syllabus, we're going to go settings, navigation, and we're going to click on the three dots to the right of simple syllabus. So what we're going to do here is on the left-hand side, we scroll all the way down to settings, and then we are going to go to navigation up here on the top. And then you'll notice this box here. This is a list of your active links here. All right, so down below are extra apps that the college has that you can use. I don't use any of them, but we will need to get simple syllabus or class syllabus as it's referred to. So you go down and there it is, class syllabus. Click on the three dots and click enable. Now it is put it up in your active link box. The other thing I like to do is it's at the bottom, so I want to move it to the top. So I'm going to click on move, and then over on the right, it gives you an option whether you want to put it on the top or maybe after or before another link there. I'm going to click on before, and I'm going to put it before the old syllabus. So now class syllabus, which is simple syllabus, is ahead of the old syllabus. So before saving this, I'm going to deactivate the old syllabus so it won't appear here and be confusing to students. So I'm just going to click on the three dots and click disable. Now it's pulled it off and we only have class syllabus, which is simple syllabus. So before we're ready to exit this screen, we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click save. That way it'll save the data and it will now activate the class syllabus or simple syllabus that we need. Now, the first time you do this, you'll need to, well, you're going to click on it either way, either beginning of the semester to activate it and update the data, or in this case, the first time we're going through on it, we want to click on it so we can copy over the information that we want in there. So the system will populate the course start dates. There's tutorials in here as well for you, but it copies over to the CRN for that semester, the student learning outcomes, the times and dates it meets, when special deadlines are up, and then it'll give you instructor information. You can edit it to add a website or any other information. So as you're going along down here, you have the option to either make some things invisible. You notice this is a required, there are required headings, so this one is required, so I can't turn it off, but I can turn off like a communication plan. If you don't want that, you can simply turn it off. So click on those that you want to turn off, click on the ones that you want to. Um, Equity statement is required. So therefore, we have, this is the department one that I did, but if I go over to the email that I sent you, you have the option to copy and paste in that equity statement. So I'll copy and paste it. And then, even though play like it's not there, we'll get rid of this. So there's nothing there. I'll copy it in there, and then we will move along. So course materials, I think this one's still, maybe they made it now so it's optional. As you saw, I tricked the system by putting a dash for the title of the book, and then as a subtitle, I put no required textbook. So if you're not using a textbook, then if it's required, you got to put something in there. So that's what I did. But again, you can scroll through here and copy and paste from your existing syllabus as you need and see fit within your simple syllabus. As you can see, there are there's college areas here, standards of conduct, stuff that's already pre-populated by the college. That's fine. You can't do anything about it. It's their way of controlling us. So there you go. You can deactivate or activate or even use a course calendar. I don't like to do that because I like to kind of be in control of my own dates on that and not have the system auto-generate. But again, you've got options of what you want to add and remove. If you want to add a new component, a new header, you can do that. And now you can create the title of it and then add your information as you need to. Once you're done and everything is good, you can either click preview to look and see what it looks like. And once everything looks good, then you can click submit. So submitting now will save all that data and make it so you've got an option to copy a URL to create a PDF. So if you want to hand out a hard copy in a face-to-face class, you can do that. Or if you want to copy the URL and post it to a website, you can do that as well. This means it's done. Simple Syllabus is now active and you're ready to go. So next semester, once you're all set, you back your course up, restore it just like we did, and you would click on class syllabus, and then it will auto-populate the new dates and times for you. And all this other information will already be in there, so you won't have to do anything unless you want to make a change. That's about it. Once you're done, just remember to publish that course so it's visible to your students, and you will be good to go. So go down to one that needs published. You just literally click on publish either here at your dashboard or within the course itself. And to do that within the course itself, it will be up on the top right. And since this course is already published, I would just need to publish it. And you would click publish. And now it is active and available for your students who are enrolled in your course. Okay, that's it. Have fun.